Budgie breeder one with Budgie breeding fun. Budgie breeder one with lots of Budgie fun. Oh yeah, you got this too. Welcome back, Budgie breeder one here. So I'm back, you guys. So in my hand I have two baby Budgie chicks, and the one on my right is the way it's looking. In the next video that you're about to see, it's looking like it's going to be a pied. And I don't know how you get pieds with two rainbows, but something in the genetics happened, and I guess they both have albino in them, because the one with red eyes seems like it's going to be an albino, since the one on the right has more white in the feathers, and that makes me think that the one with red eyes is going to be an albino. But we'll just have to see in the future. I really don't know, but I'm pretty sure. Well, I'm not even gonna say I'm pretty sure, but it's looking like a pod budgie to me. But yeah, we're gonna fast forward to today when I was outside feeding them spinach, and yeah. So it's been a while since I've been back on this YouTube channel, but I'm back now, and I just got my birds out here eating spinach and getting some whatever vitamin they get from being in the sunlight, because they just need it. And it's getting warm outside, and it's springtime, and it just look lifeful. Not lifeless, but lifeful. I just made that up, but yeah. And down here we have Splash eating some spinach also. But I didn't show you guys, I don't think yet. Oh, this sherbert. Her color is. Wait, let me see. Let me come over here. She probably gonna try to fly away or something. Her color is more vibrant and stuff, but both of these are rainbow budgies. And look at the babies. So this one is since this one has white feathers and it's a pod, I'm pretty sure that this one is going to be an albino. I don't know how you get two I said two albinos. I did have more than one, but the other one died. I don't see how you get an albino from two rainbows, but it's genetics, and he's probably mixed with some kind of albino, and mine is too. That's probably why he came out albino. But yeah, red eyes. That's cool. So guys, we're back, and look who has their eyes open. So I said albino, but I really don't know at this point. It looks Latino because I see like yellow, if you can see. But I don't know. It's just gonna be a guessing game. I don't know about this one, but yeah, it looks Latino. But whatever it becomes is whatever. I don't really know, because I've been changing my answers all throughout the video. So, but it's kind of cute. I had one Latino baby back in 2013, and now I have another one. It's just trying to go back to sleep. I'm about to put it back in the nest box and show you another one. So this one right here, I'm thinking that it's going to be a pied, just because it has like mostly white and some black spots on it. So yeah, this is from, alright, I'm gonna put him in my lap. This is him from the top view, and he's just trying to go everywhere now that he's learned how to walk. Okay, babe. I'll just hold him like this, where he's comfortable. yeah, those are the chicks. You'll see their colors pretty soon. I'll be making more updates. I'm sorry that I haven't been active. It's my phone being messing up too much, and it's just a lot of stuff happening in the household, so sorry about that. But yeah, that's them, and I'll see you next time.